Hello and welcome back to MarineMax, Georgia. My name is Quindon Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through the Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. Here on the back of the boat we are being propelled by a 90 horsepower Mercury outboard. This will be a 4-stroke, so the oil and the gas is mixed for you. As you move into the boat, this is going to be a great lake boat. You can go fishing, bring some family, bring some friends, and just enjoy the lake. This is an alternative to maybe a couple jet skis. They're about the same price, but this is a truly unsinkable boat. You don't have to worry about as much maintenance, and you can get a Mercury serviced everywhere. A couple of the options I've loved that we've equipped is, first off, the sun bimini. You can take it all off with a couple pins, put it in the storage for the winter if you don't want it, or to deploy it, all you have to do is undo the top and pull it forward. We do have the bench seat here, so a couple of people can fit here on the bench, a cooler option, and then up front you can have a couple of people facing back. This boat will have a total capacity of 6 people on board. You will have a nice large fuel tank underneath the seat, little area up in here in the helm for some storage that is lockable, a cooler that you can use for additional seating, and we've gone with the low profile interior rails and high profile bow rails. That way when you're walking around the front, if you are fishing, you do have something to grab onto and hold. Here in the bow we have a nice little area for a fish box, and you do have some storage underneath there for tying off your anchor cleat and have a bow point. We do have this boat for sale here on the Lake Lanier, Georgia location, so please give us a call today to set up an appointment to see it in person.